look, the new summer set, you guys. Okay, so there's those 5 charms, yes. 10 pieces. They're very limited. Now, I have
hello, Karen.
This. Okay, this came in a scrapbook. This is some scrapbook paper, okay? Just some journal paper, decorative paper. It came in this little book. It came as a book, okay? Okay, this is some paper that I created and printed off. Okay, so I'm going to trim this area. I hope it... All right, I opened this book all the way up, all right? I'm gonna cover this book. Let me... My tip. I use Beacon 3-in-1, and now I'm going to put my glue on my book. I'm gonna get my cutter.
Perfect. I finally ordered the stainless steel pins to go in my...
Okay, so I am folding these edges up. I'm gonna show you. This is how you cover a book, guys. This is how you cover a book. So, you can see where I folded it. It gives me a square on each edge. We are not going to cut those square. We're going to slightly go in at a slight angle and leave just a smidge of paper here at the top, okay? We're gonna do that all the way around. Okay, so you see, I have that. Okay, so I'm just gluing. So this is our book, okay? I printed this off. It says Girls Trip, Cheaper Than Therapy 2024. I'm going to tear this graphic. I have some Distressed Oxide in ground espresso, and we are going to zhuzh the edges. Right. I just folded this so that I would have that midpoint right there. So I'm gonna glue this to the center. Girls Trip, Cheaper Than Therapy 2024. Now, so my thought is, yes, we're going to put, okay, I want to show you guys.
Kathy said that's a very cute idea.
What do you guys think?
Green background.
Yes, okay, I'm going to use
Becky says hi.
A clip on this.
Barbara says amazing, beautiful.
To hold this down. Okay, I'm going to clip that on. That's going to dry. I'm going to set it right over here while we work on the inside of the book. When I think of a travel journal, I think of a journal that I can put little keepsakes in. I have some sandwich bags here. Let's just pull out some sandwich bags. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can turn these into little, okay, so I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to use my bone folder.
Deborah said, when I saw another crafter shot of you in your journaling with all of these cute little miniatures.
Okay, we're going to turn this in like that.
I love the pink clips from the Dazzling.
I'm going to glue this area down, okay? We're going to glue this area down like this. Okay, I'm getting my trimmer. I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to trim the very edge of this bag.
Uh-oh. Becky says if I get to Ohio, pillow bed from where it was near Kris, and
now we have folded this length up. Remember, I glued this down, so that's glued down now. That and that. This is going to fold over this way, like so. And okay, on the inside of this,
hello, Elise.
I want.
Martha's glad to hear it.
I'm gluing down any little loose pieces because these are going to be pockets. So I did a line of glue right here.
It's helped them, or brought a bit of happiness and put a smile on their face and everything else. It's just a wonderful and joyful thing for Christmas.
It will be tied in the book right here, okay? It will come like this. It will go over like this, and it will close like this. We're gonna have 3 of these. These also have pockets at the top of them. I'll show you. So you can put things down in them, right? Like that. So let's decorate one of these and get it put in the book. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do my corners.
I guess the little grandbaby's going to be a dual citizen of Brazil and the U.S. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna zhuzh our edges just lightly, not a ton. I am only putting these in here because I want you to see the pockets. That one might be too wide.
Take a look for it.
Okay, so this will fold up like this, and I'm gonna put a little, I don't know what I want to put on there as a latch. I'm gonna sew this into this book. Let's do that real quick. So this is our flip out like this, and we'll close that off right there. Haven't decided for sure what we're going to close it off with yet. But guys, the thing I want you to do today, I want you to run and get your Totally Dazzled, because I'm telling you, it will sell out. I think I'm going to put the flip-flop on this. So,
can you show us how to make a dangle in the journal junkie?
So you guys, thank you so much for being here. Bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.